Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. I'm super excited today to bring to you guys a unboxing of the iPhone 13. Now, I've ordered all of them. This is the first one that came in. The others are really taking long, especially the iPhone mini for some reason. I think that's a really good phone anyways. Now, before I continue, I'd like to let you guys know I'm funding everything myself. I'm a one-man show, so if you appreciate that, please do subscribe, give it a like, and share it around. All right, now without further ado, let's look at the box. So this is how it's shipping out in Australia. So you have to open these seals. Let's see if we can open it with one seal intact. Whoa, we can. Okay, that's cool. Let's look at what we get inside. We already know what we're going to get inside because you're going to get a lightning to USB-C. Don't know why they're still not doing USB-C to USB-C, but anyways, you get that, and you get some stickers and whatnot, and just a guide. All right, now on this hand we've got the iPhone 13. Now this is the nice new blue color. Okay, and that's how it looks. Okay, let's peel this. Bang, how good does that look? Not too shabby at all. Alright, that's basically it guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see and what you'd like me to pair this up against and do a maybe verse. Thank you so much for watching today and take good care. Bye bye.